Did you know children in Uganda, Nepal, India, and Iraq are lacking education and most likely won't be able to have the job they dreamed of? They also will not get the right paying job and not be able to support a family nor have the life they deserved just because they don't have an education. This has been happening for a long time, way over 15 years. No education means they don't know how to read, they don't know how to write, nor have correct grammar. How would you feel if you were stuck in child labor and living in a danger zone with no education and no way to change it? But, this isn't it for these children. They won't have to spend their lives worrying about their education and worrying about their future. No child should worry about their future and not getting an education. They still have a chance to an education and a good job. At the Rise to Leadership organization, also known as Love Does, they help children get the education they need, and they have been doing it for over 15 years. On lovedoes.org, it says, "We have been fighting for human rights and providing education to children in conflict zones for over 15 years. But they can't do it alone. They need your help to change children's lives. With just a monthly donation, you could give a child an education and a future and change their lives forever, and they will finally get an education they need and happiness and no worries. Secondly, I think every family at MJHS should donate because this is a chance to change a child's life. And that doesn't happen every day. Not only do I think families at MJHS should donate to the Rise to Leadership organization, I think everyone should donate. Because it's such a great opportunity. Just imagine yourself not getting an education and not going to school and having so many worries. Wouldn't you be so happy if someone was dedicated to donating you to have an education? Lastly, this isn't even super hard at all, and it only takes around 2 minutes to donate to the Rise to Leadership organization and change a life. All you have to do is go to lovedoes.org and donate. And after you have donated, you have changed a life.